is a chance that we could pick up some rain, maybe even the possibility of some heavy rain, soaking rain showers as a front begins to make its way into the bluegrass. We've already started to see a couple of showers and some storms kick up farther to our northwest. We'll look at the map here in just a second. So there is a chance to pick up some rain today. So if your yard and your garden needs another drink, there will be a few of us that pick up some rain, but not everyone will see it. Slight temperatures dropping down just a little bit as we head into mid and late week due to the cold front. So it is going to do its job and start to cool the atmosphere off again. Not a lot, but it will feel a bit better because the humidity will start to drop as well. And then we're going to turn dry for the remainder of the work week and rolling into at least part of the weekend. We've already started to see a little bit more of a cloud increase as we move into the afternoon, especially over to the western Kentucky. And then, of course, you start to see where the cold front is. You can kind of tell exactly where it is from the clouds and then moves all the way over into southern Missouri right now. So it's beginning to move through the Lexington area, but we have still been dry, and I believe Lexington is likely going to be missing out on this rain altogether. This slight risk for severe storms has been shifted to the west just a hair to cover most all of Pulaski County and Wayne County as well. Earlier, it stopped around McCreary County, so now it does include Wayne County. And then you have the marginal risk that extends up and still includes far southern and southeastern Fayette County, but does not include Lexington. And then that will also extend down toward the Bowling Green area. The main threats with this storm, of course, strong winds. We could have some frequent cloud to ground lightning, also torrential rain because the dew points are pretty high. So the convection from the afternoon plus a lot of moisture in the atmosphere is going to be meeting with this cold front and sparking a couple of scattered showers and thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon, particularly right around the evening commute time. And most of these showers are going to remain south of I-64, most of these even south of the parkways as we head into the rest of this evening. So you can see a couple of those scattered to widely scattered to even isolated showers and thunderstorms heading our direction. Again, heavy rain is a good possibility. So keep the umbrella around, especially if you live in the Lakes region in southeastern Kentucky, all the way through this evening till about maybe 11 or midnight. After that, the rain just kind of trickles on out of the state. We'll be dry overnight. We'll start to see some of those clouds clearing out, and we do have nicer weather heading our direction for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. So we'll see a few of those extra clouds moving in through Wednesday. Otherwise, lots of sunshine heading our direction, along with the slightly better feel as the humidity starts to dip just a bit. Rainfall totals, it could be anywhere from maybe just a couple hundredths of an inch of rain all the way up to maybe half an inch for some. Far southeastern Kentucky, there's a couple of models that say, yeah, we could have some good dousing showers, which may even equal up to an inch or so. 30% today, dropped down to 10% Wednesday. No rain Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, then back up to about 40% by the late weekend and early next work week. We also see the temperatures dropping and then rising back into the low 90s by the time we get to Saturday. For tonight, clearing skies, today, highs around 89 degrees, so the upper 80s. Tonight, we'll start to see those clouds clearing out. We'll see a mostly clear sky, low temperatures dipping to the mid 60s, which means good viewing for the full moon that's going to be out tonight and early tomorrow morning. That is the full buck moon in July. Wednesday's high 87 degrees, 85 degrees on Thursday. And then, of course, we're going to start to see that heat returning into the weekend with more storm chances Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday next week.